So we go to paper 2. Question 1, Mary. Yes, and I want to remind you, because people were writing that John the Baptist was a forerunner of Jesus. At the same time, they were writing he ushered people into the what? Messianic what? Era. Yes, you said that, and it's the same point. Question 1B. Yes, and you did not write like God is holy, is righteous, or you can say is righteous, or God cares, you can say is what? Merciful. Question 2, Marianne.
Reasons why Jesus referred to the Pharisees as hypocrites. 1. They considered themselves righteous, they despised others, they exalted themselves, lack of humility, they knew that the commandments but did not apply them appropriately. They followed Jesus with an aim of trapping him. They emphasized on outward cleanliness as opposite of heaven. They altered the law of Moses to suit their selfish motives, were a bad influence of the people, misled others. Their effect on the people was hidden yet widespread. They described the healing of the paralytic man. Jesus was teaching and Pharisees were sitting down. Men brought a man who was paralyzed to be healed by Jesus. They sought to bring him before Jesus, but place was crowded. They went up the roof and left him down through the tiles into the midst before Jesus. Jesus saw their faith and told the man, "Your sins are forgiven." The Pharisees and scribes began to question, "Who is this that forgives sins?" Jesus perceived their questioning and answered them with the easier to say, "Your sins are forgiven," or say, "Rise up and walk." The Son of Man, the authority to forgive sins, he said to the man, "Rise, take up your bed and go." Immediately the man rose before them and went home, glorifying Jesus. Identify ways in which Christians...
You did not say all were seized and in amazement. You said they glorified Jesus. Why did they glorify Jesus? Where are you reading from? You read they glorified Jesus. How? Yes? Everyone wrote they glorified Jesus. They glorified God. Yes, and you have to say they were filled with ew. Is it ew or ew? Saying we have seen strange things what? Today.
Identify ways in which persons can set disagreements among themselves. They pray for the issue problem. They offer guidance and counseling to the afflicted by paying visit, taking to the offenders, by involving church leaders as arbitrators, forgiving the ones that has wronged them, through shaking hands, willing by the offenders to accept the mistakes made, withdrawing from privileges for a period of time so that one can reform.
By sharing meals, do you have that? Eating together through shaking of hands or accepting greetings. Here is where I got all the fashions of answers. Yes? By eating the Holy Communion together, people are saying that, which is wrong. They were also saying by the one that was okay, by talking to a man of God, yes, that he can be able to solve the issue. Yes. There's something else I even forgot. You had so many fashions. Some of you are differentiating those people who are in the church and those who are different. If it's someone who is not in the church, forget about them. There's someone who told me that. I was shocked. And then someone else will say, if he is a Christian, forgive them. You're forgiving specific people. It was so funny. I don't know. I don't know. For example, when I teach you CRE, we are told to protect the environment, right? We are told to protect the environment. The environment is also afforestation and saying that we should not cut what? Trees. And then our president is the number one prayerful man, right? And what did he say? You know, now I usually tell you there's the faith that you talk about and there's practicing it. So now I'm confused how I'm going to teach my students. Because there are those things that I'm teaching you that are supposed to be taught. They are from the Bible. They were convened by Jesus. But then there's a man. There's other... no, I'm not talking about the president alone. Even people in general. But what do you depict from that? Or is the president? He can go against the Bible. You tell me. No, I'm a bit confused about the whole... Because I keep on... Is these things come up in our current situation, question 3? No, I'm not saying the president is wrong, yet he comes here and arrests me. No, I'm not saying that. Question 3.
Outline Jesus' teachings on the growth of God's kingdom. Luke chapter 13, verse 1 to 35. Repentance is important.
Lists.
List distraction. The need to work hard or be productive to be accepted in God's kingdom. Jesus came to liberate people from the root of Satan. The kingdom of God starts to grow from humble beginning. The kingdom of God is universal. It gives both Jews and non-Jews. The kingdom of God grows in a mysterious way, unseen one. To enter the kingdom of God, one must make a lot of effort. Sacrifice, make right decision in time. The door will not remain open forever. Having social conduct with Jesus is not guarantee of entering the kingdom of God. But it belongs to those who obey Jesus precious. The growth of God's kingdom happens when demons are cast out, people healed. Those who reject Jesus have not placed in the kingdom of God. God will separate the righteous and